Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the friendship egg in Fish It Game of Roblox New Easter Update Part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here is how it actually works. Basically, you need to stand near other players while fishing to receive a fishing boost. And from the update log, you can see this information. Every hour of having the boost active and unbroken, players involved can get small chance to get the friendship egg. So as long as you stay close to the other players, the boost stay active. So you need to make sure that you stay near your friends the whole time. Don't move too far away and don't stop the boost or the timer resets. And the best way to do this, the first one, you need to stay in a group and fish together. Avoid leaving the area. And of course, you need to be patient. It's RNG based, so it might take few tries. Okay, and now my boost is active. You can see this icon if the boost is active, guys. And yeah, you just need to wait until you get the friendship egg, and it happens every hour. Okay guys, and that's how you get the friendship egg in Fish It Game of Roblox Easter Update Part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!